Welcome to the knowledge sharing channel of DIVI Group. Today we will present a project designed and installed by DIVI Group in 2024. An 8 million kilocalories per hour thermal oil heater for a panel factory in northern Vietnam. The second heater trusted to DIVI by this client. The system applies fluidized bed combustion with a vertical spiral coil design. Our engineers optimized height design to extend combustion time, improve fuel efficiency, save energy, and meet environmental standards. In 2020, DIVI built a 5 million kilocalories per hour thermal oil heater to replace an old manual wood-fired unit. With satisfaction from that project, in 2024, at another factory, the client needed to expand production and invest in an additional fluidized bed thermal oil boiler to reduce heat production costs instead of using the existing unit. DIVI was once again trusted with the turnkey project. This 8 million kilocalories per hour thermal oil boiler uses available byproducts from the factory: sawdust, wood chips, offcuts, bark, veneer scraps, etc., helping reduce energy costs. With DIVI's new technology, all types of biomass fuel can be used normally, without sorting as required by older technologies. This significantly reduces fuel costs for the client. In actual operation, with the old system, 12 loader buckets of fuel were required per hour. With the new DIVI system, only 8 buckets are sufficient. This boiler is equipped with an automatic conveyor to transport fuel from the storage to the intermediate hopper, combined with a feeder fan to spread fuel evenly on the grate, increasing combustion efficiency. Fuel burns inside the furnace chamber with a combustion height of up to 11 meters, ensuring more complete combustion. Through radiation and convection heat transfer in the boiler, thermal oil inside the spiral tubes is heated, reaching the required temperature but not exceeding 300 degrees Celsius. For current factory demand, when the oil outlet temperature reaches 248 degrees Celsius, the circulation pump transfers hot oil to the heat-using equipment. After heat transfer, the oil temperature drops to 238 degrees Celsius and is pumped back to the boiler for continuous reheating. This is the fuel feeding system, consisting of the conveyor and hopper. This is the fuel combustion process inside the furnace. After transferring heat to the thermal oil, the flue gas is led to the heat recovery system. Next is the air preheater. Here, air is heated up to nearly 200 degrees Celsius and supplied into the furnace, improving combustion efficiency even with high moisture fuel. This is the main air fan for the combustion process. Flue gas then passes through the multi-cyclone dust collector to recover most of the fly ash. At this stage, more than 85% of ash particles are removed. Below is the ash hopper with a rotary valve for ash discharge. This is the induced draft fan of the thermal oil boiler. Thanks to this fan, flue gas is drawn from the furnace, through the air preheater, the multi-cyclone, and finally out the chimney. The flue gas exits the boiler at below 160 degrees Celsius, an ideal temperature for thermal oil boilers. This demonstrates the high efficiency of the thermal oil boiler, designed and manufactured by DIVI. Before reaching the chimney, the flue gas passes through a wet scrubber. Here, fine dust is fully removed, ensuring that emissions meet environmental standards. This is the flue gas monitoring device of the authorized agency. Let us review the preliminary results displayed on the gauge. All indicators are much lower than the permitted standards. During operation, if the flue gas appears light white due to water vapor, it confirms compliance with environmental standards. Before finishing, let us look at the control cabinet of this thermal oil boiler. As usual, the control cabinet must be installed in a closed, air-conditioned room to ensure stable operation. The system is operated by PLC with parameters adjusted via touchscreen. All system parameters can be monitored from the control panel. This is an overview of the 8 million kilocalories per hour fluidized bed thermal oil boiler by DIVI Group using forestry residues. A product built with great dedication from the DIVI team. The system contributes to environmental protection and reduces fuel costs for the client. Join DIVI in reducing greenhouse gas emissions, protecting the environment, and achieving net zero carbon by 2050, in line with Vietnam's government commitments.